In the beginning, there was neither light nor shadow, neither time nor space, but only an unfathomable singularity, a moment of pure potential compressed into an infinitesimal point. Then, in an instant beyond human comprehension, the universe began. The Big Bang was not an explosion in space, but the very birth of space and time itself. It was the moment when existence declared itself, when the silence of the void gave way to the first stirrings of a grand cosmic symphony. From this first breath of creation came chaos and order intertwined, energy condensed into matter, and quarks and electrons, the most fundamental building blocks of reality, were born. These particles, governed by laws as ancient as the cosmos itself, began to dance in intricate patterns. Quarks joined to form protons and neutrons, which in turn gave rise to the first atomic nuclei. Yet, even in these earliest moments, one might ask, were these laws of nature mere happenstance, or did they reflect some deeper intention written into the fabric of existence? As the universe expanded and cooled, a great transition occurred. Electrons, once free, became bound to nuclei, forming the first atoms of hydrogen and helium. It was then, some 300,000 years after the beginning, that light broke free from matter, bathing the cosmos in a radiant glow. This light, the cosmic microwave background, still lingers today, a faint echo of that primordial dawn. In the emergence of light from darkness, one might find a metaphor for creation itself, a journey from the unseen to the manifest. Eons passed, and gravity, the quiet architect of the cosmos, began its work. Vast clouds of hydrogen and helium coalesced under its pull, igniting into the first stars. These stars were more than mere objects. They were the alchemists of the universe, forging within their fiery cores the heavier elements that would one day become the building blocks of life. Carbon, oxygen, iron. These elements, born in the hearts of stars and scattered across space in supernovae, became the seeds of planets, oceans, and living beings. Among these scattered remnants of stellar creation, one small world took shape in the shadow of a young sun. Earth, a rocky planet nestled within the Goldilocks zone of its star, became a cradle for something extraordinary. On its surface, in a delicate balance of elements, conditions, and chance, life emerged. It began humbly, as single-celled organisms in the primordial seas, but over billions of years, life evolved into ever greater complexity. Plants painted the land green, animals roamed the skies and seas, and eventually, a creature appeared that could reflect on the universe that birthed it. With the rise of humanity, the universe found its voice. We, the children of stardust, looked to the heavens and wondered, what are the stars? What is this vast expanse that surrounds us? What are we, fleeting beings in the immensity of space and time? From the flicker of ancient campfires to the glow of modern telescopes, our search for answers has been both a quest for knowledge and a search for meaning. In gazing outward, we have turned inward, seeking to understand not just the cosmos, but our place within it. Now, as we stand at the threshold of the unknown, we contemplate the future of the universe itself. Will it continue to expand forever, its galaxies drifting ever farther apart until the stars burn out and only darkness remains? Will it one day reverse course, collapsing into a singularity once more? Or might it transform into something entirely beyond our comprehension, as yet another chapter in the infinite story unfolds? These are not merely scientific questions, but deeply philosophical ones. For in pondering the fate of the universe, we confront the essence of existence itself. Is the cosmos a random accident, a fleeting ripple in the void? Or is it something more? A grand masterpiece of unimaginable scope, woven with purpose and intention. In the end, perhaps the greatest mystery of the universe is not its origin or its fate, but its ability to inspire awe, wonder, and reflection. As finite beings, we may never grasp the infinite, but in our striving, we become part of the very story we seek to understand. The universe is not merely a collection of stars, planets, and galaxies. It is a realm of becoming, a canvas upon which existence and awareness are painted together. And in our questions, our thoughts, and our dreams, the cosmos contemplates itself, a never-ending journey of discovery and meaning.